Hello guys, and welcome back to another amazing episode on Coloradobaddrivers Dashcam channel. Today, we prepared a really cool episode full of all sorts of crazy moments captured on driver's dashcam, so make sure to sit tight and enjoy the show. Even though this crazy driver noticed the camera, since he was right beside him, he still decided to force his way in front of him. It's really unbelievable how self-entitled some drivers behave. We've seen some bad apples out here in traffic, but this one tops it definitely. This guy was completely confused in the middle of the road and he started reversing all of a sudden. Luckily, the camera noticed it on time and he gave him enough space to maneuver his crazy move.
You're all good with that. So it looks like you wanted to hook up with her. What do you mean by hook up?
Oh! Hell, Jesus Christ.
So not have sex. And
now let's see if we can find something to watch on the in-flight entertainment system. Philippine Airlines A350s feature the Saffron Rafe-centric entertainment system. They offer a fair amount of local and international movies and TV shows, almost all of them in English because English is one of the two national languages of the Philippines.
In this situation here, the camera caught a biker on his dashcam and he was pulled over for doing a wheelie.
And she obviously got a personal problem with me being in this group. I was going to suggest that you get your fiance on and remove yourself from this whole Destiny Child.
¿Qué pasa, pendejo? Piénsale, güey.
Is reading prop food, but we kept all of our snacks in our desk drawer. Yes, my perishable snacks we kept in the fridge that was backstage. Yeah, but I had like a bag of potato chips in my drawer. Oh yeah. I had gum.
What the? God damn! Moron! Now what are you doing?
This is really a tight call. Someone suddenly stopped at the interstate, and that's a really dangerous thing to do since the traffic is moving at a high rate of speed in all lanes.
Whether you vote for me or not, I work for the people. As President of the United States, I will work for the people. Let me tell you what I'm running on, and this is really simple.
Holy
If you
moly, mother of pearl!
you pay it back.
Woohoo!
Number one. Number two, My mother worked 16 hours a day as a nurse's aide.
Oh!
She
Oh!
My mother worked 16 hours a day as a nurse's aide.
I wanted to talk to you about your veto of the anti.
Oh my God, are you kidding me?
Bill in April of 2021. At the time,
Delaware!
you said that the bill was extreme. Interfere
Delaware.
Of minors seeking to transition from male to female.
Never run away from the cops. In this video, the crazy Java was not only fleeing, but he was driving on the wrong side of the road as well.
Oh! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Fuck. Oh my God. It was so fast you didn't even know what was happening.
Okay, Presto.
This video is another reminder that being stuck at the lights is more dangerous than ever. It almost feels like every intersection has their own red light runners who just don't care about the consequences of their crazy moves. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Coloradobaddrivers Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, maybe learning a thing or two based on how to behave in traffic. If you like this type of content, support us with a like because that will mean the world to us. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.